Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix overheating shutdown on GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. So if your camera has just turned off after overheating, just leave it like this. If you're outside, I think that the ventilation outside should be enough for your camera to cool down. Just don't keep it within the direct sunlight. And if you are inside, you can point a small fan to your camera to cool it down. You can also remove the battery from your camera. First of all, just hold down the power button for a couple of seconds to turn it off, then open the door on the right side of your camera like this, and then you can remove your battery this way, and then just keep your camera and battery separately. Let your battery cool down. If you have a spare battery, you can replace it right away. And once you replace your battery, let's make a few adjustments so that the camera doesn't turn off once again. So if you do have a cooling device like a small fan, keep it cooling your camera unless it's too noisy. Generally try to make the ventilation around your camera decent, and adjust some settings of your camera. Swipe down the control center. You can disable all of the features you don't need on this page, as well as you can go to preferences on the second page. You can disable connections if you are not using them, GPS if you're not using it, and in display settings you can also set the screensaver to 1 minute and set the brightness to the level you still feel comfortable with. I think actually the 23 brightness level will be enough. And also, the most important part, to keep your battery from overheating and your device from shutting down accidentally, connect the external power source. So grab a power bank and connect it to your camera. You can use the USB-C port located right here. Insert the cable from going from your power bank right here, and just continue recording this way. And this way you will take the heat away from your camera's battery and will be able to record for longer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.